Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to go next line in Excel cell. So let's start. So whenever you write in Excel, just simply select the first cell, then write the first word, then press the Alt Enter, then write the second word. Okay. Then press the again Alt Enter, and you can write the third one. Okay. If you want to write more, you just press the Alt Enter to add the next line in one cell. And after that, just press the Enter key, and that's it. You can see in one cell is showing the full sentence. Okay. So same as for go to the next line, you can use this way also. Simply write your full sentence here. Please subscribe my channel. Okay. Then select the cell, go to the Home tab in Alignment Group, click on the Wrap Text option. Just click on this option, and that's it. You can see here your sentence is set in one cell. In next line also added. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.